Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's travel plans are being finalized. A source told Page 6, there have been lengthy discussions between the Sussexes and the palace. There is a time crunch on this, of course. It is such a historical event, and it's hoped that Harry and Meghan will be there, the website reported. UK's Daily Express reported on Thursday that the Duke and Duchess of Sussex are set to tell the palace whether or not they plan to attend the king's coronation within days. It said President Biden's decision to tell the king he will not be making the trip for the historic event is understood to have hastened the response. Citing sources, Express.co.uk reported that while Harry is expected to accept the invitation, Meghan's appearance is still in doubt. The publication reported that the Duke and Duchess of Sussex missed the official RSVP deadline, which was set by officials for Monday, April 3. But the couple is on the brink of making their minds up, according to a number of well-placed sources. A source told The Times, "I hear they are going to confirm their plans soon, particularly now that Biden has